In today's video, we figured out that there's some left part missing here, right? Let's say the staircases are missing, also the entry landing are missing, and also the second floor missing, right? So in today's video, we're gonna fix all the problem, right? So let's start. The first thing that you have to do, you need to design the staircases, all right? So just change the level, go on level 1, the first level, and from here, the only way to create staircases here, you have to go on architecture, right? And under architecture here, we have staircases here. You can see staircase here, staircase. Just click on it, right? And you have to modify the running width, right? So the width of the staircases, right? And our staircases should stay should start from the first level, right? Level 1 to the second level, right? But if you have more story, you can modify the staircases, right? So this is how we can do it. So I modify already. It should start from level 1 to level 2, right? And if you want to make it bigger, like if you want to modify the dimension of the staircases, just feel free to modify it. But I'm going to keep the way it is right now. And then after this, you have many options of staircases, right? I actually like the L shape staircases, right? So I'm going to pick this one for myself. And I will start designing. So you have to identify the place that you have to put your staircases, right? Since you're a designer, right? You know where you should put your staircases for the sake of for the stability sake of the building, right? So mine, I'm gonna put my staircases here. So I reserve this part just for my staircases here, right? So I'm gonna place my staircases here, right? It should start from the first level to the second level. So I'm gonna press in here. So here my staircases has been designed. So if you wanna modify, just click on it, and you can modify here, or you can modify the width, or also you can modify the length of the staircases according to your your design, right? But for me, I ain't gonna modify anything, so I'm gonna leave it the way it is right now. And if I want to see how my staircase look in reality, I'm gonna change the view, and here I will change the view here, and from this side, I'm gonna go on this one here, the rotation, and I'm gonna rotate my my building. So you can see here. Let me do it. Let me go a little bit on my. You can see my staircases start from the first level, like this the ground here, to the second level, right? Because I don't have the second level yet, right? I didn't design any second floor yet, right? But this staircase is gonna give us the opportunity of going up to the second floor, right? Accessibility, right? So after this, I'm gonna press escape, and I'm gonna go on home. I'm gonna change the view on home, right? And I'm gonna zoom it out a little bit, zoom a little bit, right? And here, right, as you can see, something's missing here. The entry landing here, the entry landing here, and the other entry landing here, they're missing, right? So how to design this, right? So first of all, you have to change the view again. And here, you can just create another flow. We just come here, architecture, right? Okay, first of all, you have to accept, you have to confirm your staircases. Sorry, I didn't confirm my staircases, so I need to finish the model, right? You have to check it, right? Just press OK. It means that the staircases has been designed, right? You have to wait a little bit. All right. So my staircase has been designed, right? This is the upper part. Means this where the staircase started, and then you have to go up. As I said before, right? So if you wanna see again in the different view, this is how our staircases should look like, right? I'm gonna change the view again for you guys, so we're gonna see it properly. So this is how staircases should look like. This is how the staircase should look like, right? Right? So this is how our staircase should look like, right? So okay, so I need to create my landing here and here, right? How to create landing? I'm gonna just use the flow. I'm gonna use the flow here. And how I'm gonna do it? I will go on architecture again. I will change the level, this view here, and from here I'm gonna go on flow. I'm gonna press flow here, and this time I'm gonna pick the line. The boundary should be the line should be under the boundary line, and I'm gonna pick the line to create my straight line with this option here. I'm gonna just press on this option here. So I'm gonna press Okay, I will adjust my view first of all, and I'm gonna just only press, I'm gonna only plus, sorry, my floor on the door, right, on the door, on the support of the door, right. So I'm gonna just zoom a little bit here and zoom again, zoom, and this line, it should start from this line here, right, and it should go until this next line here, right. And then after that, I will adjust the view again. I will start again the same place that I started here, right? And I will go until maybe here, right? You have to have it on the dimension. I'm gonna take 1,100, right? And the angle should be the same, 90 degree, right? And it should be 90 degree. It should be straight. And I'm gonna just press in here, right? And after that, right, after that, I'm gonna do the same. I'm gonna zoom again, and I'm gonna take this this corner here and make it 1 1, and I'm gonna just link this and this, right. And if you wanna check how it, you can just check, right, you can just press check here, like accept. And if you wanna see how it looks first, you can change the view, and you can see we put our landing. But I wanna, how can I say, I wanna close this this place first of all. I know why, because I need to copy this. I need to create a balcony for the second floor, right? For the second floor, right? So guys, watch me. Like I have another method, right? So I want this door to be a balcony in the second level, right? So how can I do this, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna go again on level, right? I'm gonna go again on the first level, but here I'm gonna go on architecture, and I'm gonna use the railing, right? I'm gonna press in here. And I will pick line again. I'll pick line, right? It should be under the line, and I need okay. If I want to take line, it's gonna be more complicated for me to pick all the line. There are a lot of lines, right? So it's just better for me to check the line, like to pick lines. So I'm gonna pick this one here, the green one here, the pick lines. I'm gonna press on it, and I need to make sure that the line start from here, from this corner, this part, and this part, right? And then I can just check it, right? And yeah, if I go back, you can see I create my rating here, right? And this one I'm gonna delete it later for the first floor, but for the second floor it's gonna be used to support the balcony, right? So I'm gonna keep the way it is right now, and I'm gonna repeat the same process for this one here. So just do the same process that we did. Just go on level again, change the view, adjust your worksheet here, right? Start from this door here, and first of all you have to start with you have to go on architecture, right? Architecture, and go on floor again, and create a landing here by zooming. You have to start with this the second line. You have to start with this second line here, and then until the next one here, right? Make sure that is okay, it's correct. And then you have to do the same from this second line here to 1 1, all right? And then do the same here from this second line here till 1,001 and 100, right? And then just link this line together to make a square. Just link this to this, should be 90 degree, right? And then just press OK. Just check them, right? And you can see the view how it looks like, right? So this is how the first landing. This landing is just for people to rest, or to the accessibility of the entry should be more smooth, right? And since I want to just copy everything, right, to save time, right? So I want to create this part to be a balcony in the second level, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repeat the same process that I did for this door here. I'm gonna just go again on architecture. I'll go again on architecture here. I'll change the view, and I'll change by changing the view. I will pick the I'll go on architecture again. Sorry, I'm gonna pick this this side here. I'm gonna create my railing here, and I'm gonna use the pick line. just I will pick the line, like I will go here, pick this line, and pick this line, right? And I'm gonna just check, I'm gonna press OK, right? So there's no any mistake here, no problem at all. And if you wanna see the view, just just change the view, and we see this is how the first part looks like, right? But it doesn't, it's not correct yet, because we need this door to be open, right? And the accessibility of this door should be easy, right? So I need to delete this railing, right? But not now. I'll do it after I design my second floor, right? And how to design the second floor? Just zoom, adjust your view. Just adjust the view, right? Adjust the view, and from here, right, select everything, like everything. You can just zoom it a little bit. Okay, even change the view for more. Like, let me do this for you guys. And okay, it's okay. This is just my adjustment, but we don't need to adjust anything here. So I'm gonna select everything, like everything should be selected, right? But since I select everything, right, even the car, even the environment, even the entourage, right, I don't need all of them. So for me to filter them, I'm gonna press in here, right? And since I wanna just copy my my wall, so I'm gonna just uncheck everything. First of all, I'm gonna uncheck everything, then I'm gonna pick one by one. All right. So first of all, I'm gonna set from the top here. I will check. I will copy the door, the wall, the elevation, the floor, railing, on top. The staircases should be not copied. Staircases should stay the same. Staircases, the window, and then only these three here. So I'm gonna take the elevation, the floor, railing on top. So this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 should be subjected to the second floor, right? And if you have more, you can just check everything more, and then you can press apply, and then okay, right? And after this, I need to do the same thing. I need to press this one here. I need to press here, copy the clip onto the clipboard, right? And then paste it. I'm gonna press paste it here, and it should be aligned, like it should be aligned to the select level. So I'm gonna press align to the select level, and I'm gonna pick my second level here. I'm gonna press second level. It means that I need to, all of the component, the element that I selected should be should be subjected to the second level, right? So it should be identical, right? So that's why I'm gonna press second floor, and I'm gonna press OK, right? And I'm gonna wait a little bit, and there's a message here on the highlight wall, blah, blah, blah. So this one, it's not that important, but if you have any problem, you have to fix this before you subject anything. So I'm gonna delete it, right? And I'm gonna go and view here, and yeah, this is how our building looks like, right? Like, this is how our second floor look like, right? This is how second floor looks like. But we need to modify many stuff, right? Like, I don't need this floor. I'm gonna press on it, and I'm gonna delete it, right? I'm gonna delete it. Okay? And I don't need this wall. I don't need this wall for the garage. I'm gonna also delete it. And the same for the different orientation. I'm gonna also delete it, right? Okay, this is the first part, and I'm gonna zoom again. I don't need this. I don't need from this now, since I copied all of the railing on this on the second floor to be the balcony. I don't need them on the first floor. So I'm gonna press on it, select them, and then delete. And then here, I'm gonna do the same. Sorry, I'm gonna do the same here. I'll do the same here, and I'm gonna also delete it, right? So let me adjust a little bit our project. Let me go to home. And so it seems that we still have a lot of things to modify, right? And this is how the basic idea should be like. Because here the most important part that's left here is just to adjust the floor, to adjust the to input the column for the stability of the building, of the house, and also to design the roof, right? So in the next video, I'm going to show all of those process. And if you find this video entertaining, if you find this video both entertaining, educative, and don't forget to support me by liking the video, by sharing the video, and also by subscribing to this channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.